One of the common complaints often shared by patients is that they experience a great deal of stress. And many feel that their stress is at an all-time high because of either work, family, obligations, or outside factors. And to make matters worse, when one experiences increased stress, they often begin with gut complaints. Now the problem is, when one begins to experience gut complaints, the issue of not feeling well then contributes to the stress. It's a vicious cycle of stress, anxiety, gut issues, inflammation, and then more stress. And experiencing an illness is stressful in of itself. So here's the thing about stress. It's not going away. In fact, you will probably experience more stress. The question is, what can you do to better respond to stress versus reacting to stress? You see, stress affects us on many levels. Think physical, like gut pain, irritable bowel syndrome, nervous stomach, headaches, skin issues, and even muscle pain. Or chemical, it affects our neurotransmitters. Our neurotransmitters are chemical messengers, and they become compromised. One of the main neurotransmitters is serotonin. It's actually derived in the gut. Serotonins are happy hormones. So you can see, if your gut is not happy, then neither are you. And lastly, stress affects us mentally, emotionally. When you're under a great deal of stress, many patients visit their doctor, and that's normal. And usually they receive some type of medication. Now this is not necessarily a bad thing, as sometimes it's clinically needed. However, many of my patients look for a holistic approach. They don't always want to take medications. So where does that leave you? Do you know that your chronic stress can contribute to poor gut health? Well, if you answered no, then you're not alone. Has your doctor ever talked to you about your stress and your gut health? Or is this just something new that you're hearing about now? Just let me know in the comments below. You see, when it comes to chronic stress, it's important to assess what I like to call the 3 I's. I'm looking for imbalances, infection, and inflammation. When you feel your best, when your gut is operating efficiently, you can handle stress much easier. But when patients report with fatigue and low energy, anxiety, stress, and gut issues, we like to utilize a combination of conventional lab markers that a lot of your primary docs overlook, and often functional lab testing. Functional lab testing helps us evaluate physiological pathways that assesses for nutritional deficiencies that can lead to dysfunction. You see, at the Center for Functional Health, we start with a discovery call, followed by a deep intake because your health journey is important. After the intake and the examination, a plan is then created and we'll utilize testing if needed, and this is followed by a specific nutritional and supplement protocol based upon your clinical presentation, not a cookie cutter approach. Now, if you find this content to be helpful, please let me know below by liking this video and or subscribing. Thank you for watching, and if you want to go deeper on gut health, then check out my free guide, The 5 Keys to Digestive Health. Simply just click the link in the description. This is Dr. Michael K. from the Center for Functional Health, and thanks for watching.